season. Rabbit season. Duck season. Rabbit season. Duck season. Rabbit season. Rabbit season. Duck season. Rabbit season. I say it's duck season, and I say fire. Let's try that again. Okay, I'll start it this time. Right. Rabbit season. Duck season. Rabbit season. Rabbit season. Duck season. Fire!
All right. How y'all doing? Good morning. Oh, we've got some beautiful things happening here. This is perfect for teaching and showing you how trick and trap crew comes in and does what they do with the price and the angle. Now here's what's interesting, babies. You remember me giving you instructions on what we should see if this is a healthy pullback, and we're to look for expansion and contraction. So we're coming into contraction, and here's what we look for. Okay, this is all looking very good. This is in rhythm, working with the market. 1, 2, 3. But what's wrong, baby? Where did we know that this was officially the shop opening for the trick, trap, and fool crew? Here's what they did. They went out of sequence, baby. They reversed. They reversed, and then they went up here and hit this top. And people say, aha, our long babies, our bulls who had fallen for this, we should have seen the pullback, less than 20, about 20%, no, less than 20%. Here we go, baby. We're coming into this area, and it looks like we're going to bounce off that head. Everything's looking good. Remember that head is bear country. We got our pullback. 1, 2, should have been around 20, 25%. Boom, boom. This was what we needed to see.
Duck season. Rabbit season. Duck season. Rabbit season. Duck season. Rabbit season. Rabbit season. Duck season. Rabbit season. I say it's duck season, and I say fire. Let's try that again. Okay, I'll start it this time. Right. Rabbit season. Duck season. Rabbit season. Rabbit season. Duck season. Fire!
Babies. Instead of what we saw, looky here. Here's where they changed the game plan. Now I want you to notice something, folks. Look at the tails. Look at the tails. Where are all the tails? All the tails. We know which wave we're in when we are trending, baby, by the tail size. We know this is a pullback. We know they're going into pullback, baby. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ABC, ABC. Now here's what's happening, babies. All right. Boom. So everything's looking okay. They went down here and they said, oh, okay. So what was our last sequence, babies? 1, 2, 3. So our wave should somewhat, now we know we're going to go compress because we hit that resistance level and turned around. We knew it was coming. That was the top of that channel. Boom. We knew that was happening. All right. Here's the truth. Look at these tails. you don't see any tails on tops. You got tails on both sides of this wave, baby. We should have seen tails all the way down here. That's our hint and clue that we're doing the right thing. See these tails? These are signs of the bears controlling this and opening shop. So they bought all them stocks up, baby. The bears. They got on the side of the bulls. Yeah. We can see what's going on. We start tracking what we should see, baby. Going into these, you see how they sub-minor and then you get a lot of tails. All right. Then if we were to come back to about 20% of this first leg, which was suspiciously short, it went boom, boom. This created FOMO, baby. FOMO. People thought they was going without them, baby. And here's where the bulls just let off the gas ever so slightly, even helped the bears. And they got them up here, and they got them all looking like it's going to run on up here, baby. Then the problem is this primary wave needed to come all the way down here. We needed a 1, 2, 3. Then we needed a 1, 2, 1, 2, a compressed 3 here, and a pullback, 1, 2. We can't do this, baby. Here's your 1, 2, 3 right here. Right here's the magic. We know something absolutely is wrong. Someone and real accurate with it is real accurate with the Fibonacci's can see this and say, oh baby, I needed to see a 1, 2, 3. I mean, if we were bullish, this is a bearish. This is taking us out of sequence, and the people with their eyes are trading now. They see this money, and what they do right here, here's the bulls stepped in. Why? FOMO. Now these are our inexperienced bulls. This is our people trying to buy the dip crowd jumping in here and creating this big weather, and they just said, oh yeah, now they're selling all them stocks they bought up there. They're liquidating, baby. Boom. All right. We'll watch them today, but we are in a no trade. We don't know, babies. We don't know. We have to watch and see what the market does, but we are in no trade scenario. Here's why, baby. These have become primary trends. They are absolutely, and they're creating a broadening market pattern, baby. Here's kind of what I'm looking for verification of this market being trick, trap, and fool group right here, baby. If we see something like this come up here, see, it's looking like another bullish. Oh yeah, baby. Do not get trapped into this. So we have a broadening. This is what a cone looks like to traders on normally on the other side. All right, babies. We go up here. See the angle of the dangle is too shallow. Well, now I don't know, but that's quite a leg there. If I took that leg and cut that off, I cut that leg off, I could put it right there. And even if they were to come down to pull back to about 20% of this wave and take it off from here, that could have been a healing move. This is impulsive waves, baby. Impulsive wave. If we got an impulse, number 5 wave, 4, this should be an impulsive wave, baby. should be an impulsive wave. So it still looks natural to those who are trading, even the not the traders that are not experiencing this. This still looks sort of normal, but this isn't. We can't verify this wave by what's going on here. I need you to think reversal. All right, babies. Now here's the 30-minute chart. This is the bigger scheme. Now I want you to see this. 1, 2, reversal. All right. This is trying to tell us that everything is normal, but here it is. Right here, baby. This is the telling. This should have been 1, 2, but instead they're trying to convince us that this actually happened. We should have had right in here, somewhere in here, we should have seen these jump up here, 1, 2, and push down and come right on down and over that, bring them around. And this would be your normal, but here's the reversal, baby. Now we're going to tell, people are confused. What the hell? What the hell? So they let them bring all that stock up there, and they said, sell down, sell down. All right, babies. So this still could repair itself, but want you to know, if you're a bull, we will be seeing something like this. So keep your hands, cross your hands if you're a bull. You like me, you just like playing the bull. You're not a short man. But if you're a short man, I want you to start, or woman, want you to be trading yourself and start looking, warming up. What do they say? The fat lady's getting ready she's la, 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 baby, preparing. She's slowly reversing. So we'll see, babies. You see that? Boom, boom. What is that? People can't see that polarity change in the market. Their eye gets fooled. What the heck? Even if you look at the angle, look at this, babies. 42. No, remember, I need to see something like this. Remember, I need to under 45. See, they're playing on the edges, understanding what is the rhythm. This is way too short of a pullback. So this rally may be a complete and false, and I'm going back to my previous thoughts that we may not be in Kansas. No, baby. So y'all be careful now. This was a beautiful trick and trap company stepping in. I saw this acceleration. I was like, oh, trick and trap is in the house. Where's my mind going? My mind is watching carefully, diligently. And look at this wave. This isn't even natural, baby. This is the elevator down. Look at this, baby. Yeah. All right. Let's take a quick, use some measuring tools here. And, all right. Get my Fibonacci extension on. Come down here about here. Now, let's look. Now, this is for one leg only. This isn't the whole Shabbat. So we're just measuring a leg, and we're saying, hey, this leg is what we want to see on a pullback, baby. We shouldn't have saw nothing more than 50, 60%. You see that? This would have been the very last, baby. Absolutely. We should have saw this. If it was a natural trend, baby, we'd have saw him come down here. This is looking natural. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You see that? 272. That'd be just about right for the bull story. But even that, what we'd need to see, we wouldn't see the primary angle. Here's the primary angle. It didn't split off and give us any sub. This should have been a sub angle, but this is primary, baby. In other words, we went over the length of about 80% of that leg and pushed up here, and then they let them come on up here, you know, above that channel and tempt them latecomers, and that's what they did. They pushed them back. Oh, and there was market panic, baby. Drop. Oh, baby, it was terrible. Anyway, this is an important lesson. Pork chop penny out, babies. Y'all be safe. Remember, we're thinking bear now. We're going to keep our mind trick, trap, and trade. Trick, trap, that group of people. We're going to be watching for them. All right, this is your pre-market update for the 3rd. Now, baby, it's time of week context. Keep your eyes on it. I mean, we're talking late in the week. We're talking late in the week. Now, can this be fixed? Yeah. We saw them do it down here. We saw them do it down here, baby. They did it. That's why you get these extended waves that are going on that are so dang confusing. So we should see 1, 2, 3, baby. We should see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Or 1, about 80%, 3. 1, 2. That would have been healthy. That would have been. But what we have here is the bulls starting to beat the bears, and all they did is laid back. You can see where they laid back, baby. They just laid off. Here's that reversal. They just laid off. They said, oh, baby, okay, so we're just going to let you run, see where you want to run. Got enough participants finally getting itchy, starting to need to see some action. They get their joy juice from trading, baby. You know, the buy the dip group or the retailies that we can take advantage of. All right, baby, y'all stay safe. Yeah, so it's duck hunting season, baby. It is not rabbit hunting season. Oh, baby. Y'all be good now. Pork chop penny out.
Let's try that again. Okay, I'll start it this time. Right. Rabbit season. Duck season. Rabbit season. Rabbit season. Duck season. Fire!